I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you have a painting project coming up, you have to check these out.
These are a 3-pack professional paint brush set by PinStone. They are so high quality. I love how thick they are and how sturdy the bristles are. The handles are so ergonomic, and it's got this little notch on the side so that you can easily set them up standing. This makes it easy to grab and paint and then set down and not have any paint get anywhere else. You see how nice and smooth it gets the paint on. I was redoing our cabinets and painting everything white. The different size brushes allowed me to get into hard to reach areas and then cover a big section if I needed to. It held in so much paint and just did such a good job keeping it nice and even without putting any brush strokes in there or any hairs, which I love. You can see the before, what I needed to improve. It was such a bad paint job, to now. So clean, so beautiful. It really has made my kitchen seem so much more inviting. And the best part about these brushes, I'm a messy painter, so it gets all over me and my brushes. I love that the handle is made of plastic and silicone. It was very easy to clean. The bristles were so easy to wash the paint out. And then you can set them aside and use them for so many more paint jobs to come.
And that's my point of view.